Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. 6 incredible health benefits of including melon in your diet. The number of those who love melon is quite small, but even less of those who know about its benefits for our body. Maintains hydration. When talking about fruits with a huge water content, everyone immediately thinks of watermelons. But the melon did not run much further. It consists of 90% water, including potassium, which is quickly lost by the body when we sweat. Improves digestion. The good combination of fiber and water helps it move smoothly through the digestive tract, making the process much smoother. Improves vision and maintains eye health. This fruit is an excellent source of important antioxidants for maintaining good vision, lutein and zeaxanthin. They both work well to prevent cataracts and macular degeneration, which can cause vision loss later in life. Supports healthy heart function. Potassium plays a decisive role here. It helps maintain blood pressure levels within the normal range. Lower blood pressure reduces the risk of stroke, heart attack, and various diseases. Maintain healthy hair. It includes vitamins A and C, which are responsible for healthy hair growth. More specifically, vitamin A is responsible for the production of sebum, which traps moisture inside the scalp. At the same time, vitamin C increases collagen production, which transfers structure to hair cells. Promotes youthful skin. Collagen also provides structural support for skin cells. Thus, eating foods rich in vitamin C such as cantaloupe can help your skin look youthful and radiant. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.